The owl hoots at midnight. Never mind, good sir. Clearly you are not the contact I was sent here to meet. Although, you do look familiar. Ceramic received a vision from Saradomin, telling him to send me here. I traveled to Edgeville Monastery with all haste, but I have yet to discover why. I'm sure that all shall be... Mighty Saradomin! It is an honor to bear witness to your glory, my lord. Of all the days to neglect to polish my armor.
You think I don't know that you joined Zamorak? I was watching when you crawled under his wings. But I am a forgiving and just God. Mortals can change, as I'm sure you will. Regardless, only you can stop an event that will lead to the death of thousands. Would you consider helping them, if not me? The Kinshra Zamorak's Black Knights have discovered a dangerous weapon last wielded during the God Wars. They hope to use its terrible power to obliterate my White Knights and reclaim Falador. They know not the uncontrollable force of corruption they will unleash upon the world. Even Zamorak wouldn't condone the loss of life without reason. Destruction must serve a purpose. The premeditated slaughter of hundreds of innocents benefits no one. I beseech you for the sake of the people of Giranor to find the weapon and keep it safe.
I have pledged my life to your service, Saradomin. What must we do?
First, your companion shall require a suitable disguise to infiltrate the Black Knight's fortress. Equip the armor I have provided to the southwest and return to me. Good. You shall impersonate Captain Dulcin, the current overseer of the Black Knight. Sir Owen shall accompany you.
Disguised as a fellow Black Knight, my lord. I have a set of black armor from a former encounter with the Kinshra. I need only claim it from storage.
No, Sir Owen. I know well of your experience in stealth and infiltration, but great peril lies ahead. You must remain armed and ready for the battle that awaits. You will soon understand the wisdom of my actions. You shall be Captain Dulcin's prisoner. The Kinshra have recently raided White Knight outposts in Asgarnia and taken every opportunity to capture my followers alive.
For what purpose, my lord?
That is for you to discover, my faithful knight.
My strength and intellect are yours to wield, Saradomin. I trust in your wisdom to lead me through the darkness.
Excellent. With your permission, I shall now teleport you... Proceed to the tallest tower of the fortress and recover the weapon at any cost.
Captain Dawson. Returned? Oh, I thought you were upstairs. Why are you travelling with a follower of Saradomin? Yes, sir. Sorry to have troubled you, sir.
Well played. Now let's find a way up to the...
Captain Dulcin, why is this prisoner not under guard? No, sir. No, I merely... Absolutely not, sir. That won't be necessary, sir. Please continue, Captain Dulcin.
Captain Dawson, sir. I'm sorry to bother you, Captain, but prisoners are not permitted on the up. Oh, yes, sir. My humble apologies, Captain. Please continue up the stairs, Captain Dawson.
Ah, Captain Dulcin. You have arrived at an opportune time. Are you ready to receive the mark of Zamorak? Splendid. Remove your helmet, and I shall administer the mark. You are not Captain Dulcin. I knew it! Imposter! We have an imposter!
They've sounded the alarm. Our cover's broke. We'd best hide until the Black Knights finish their... Shall we continue our quest? You must wear the armor of a Black Knight captain before we can... Shall we continue our quest?
Ah, Captain Dulcin. You have arrived at an opportune time. Are you ready to receive... Splendid. Remove... I will be watching you, Captain. You cannot hide from Zamorak's gaze. You may proceed up the southeast stairs, Captain Dulcin.
Excuse me, Captain Dulcin. I cannot permit the Saradominists to access the upper levels of the fortress. For what purpose? I see. It's a long drop from up there, Saradominist. You'll talk if you know what's good for you.
Captain Dulcin, I have grave news. The magic circle has ceased to function, and I can find no trace of your witch. I fear our operation has been sabotaged, sir. We have lost contact with the artifact. Yes, Captain. I shall detain the prisoner while you investigate your chamber's attic. Captain Dulcin, with respect, sir, I must insist. Enemy agents may have infiltrated the fortress in disguise.
Thanks for the distraction. You might want to see if he's carrying anything useful. The captain's quarters are just up ahead. We can't leave witnesses. I'll make sure he doesn't suffer. He won't feel a thing. It's better this... Now, let's investigate that attic tower. The captain's quarters are just to the north of us. Well spotted. The journal's locked with a clasp. The keyhole is tiny. I expect the owner would keep the key upon his person. Brutes. This is all too typical of the Kinshra. The bones are eerily clean and brightly polished. Most likely the flesh was dissolved with some kind of acid. Strange. The skull is missing. Captain Dulcin appears to be quite the dragon slayer. No wonder his men hold him in such high regard. He's clear. I hope we don't run into this chap in person. A ritual chamber. A dark orb. Look, up there. A magic circle. Inactive, thanks Saradomin. Someone has tampered with it. I hope not. Circles such as this one are normally used to summon and bind otherworldly creatures. I find it unlikely that Saradomin would seek an artifact so strongly aligned. We expected to find Saradomin's weapon in this room, but it's not him. There seems to be only one path available to us. Complete the ritual. Indeed. Were this spell to summon forth a powerful demon, we could yet I see no alternative. I wonder if Saradomin knew what we would find. Yes, you're right. The light of... We must trust that this ritual will summon forth the... All the materials we require should be somewhere in this room. I know not what the spell shall conjure, but it is our duty to defeat it. If we do not, our enemies shall complete the ritual. Be prepared. Let... Now we'll need to recite the magic words over it. Arom, Feritus, Imperium. I don't think... Arom, Feritus, Igarsak. I don't think we said the magic words in the correct... You may need to restart the ritual. Arom. Naria. Imperium. I don't think we said the magic words in the correct. You may need to restart the ritual. We expected to find Saradomin. Arom. Naria. Imperium. We need to chant words of power over the northeast candle. Feritus. Silentai. Sepulchrum. We need to chant words of power over... Igarsak, Perdemi, Erbulam. Well, it's not a demon. This portal could lead anywhere. We have no way to even know that for certain. We may not be able to return. I recommend you store your disguise in this chest and bear arms for battle. You might as well put the items you found in the chest too. You'll need all the supplies you can carry. We've no idea what horrors await, yet we must step forward into the unknown. May the light of Saradomin protect.
Thank you, brave hero. I've been Thank you for rescuing me. I'm so great. What is your name, sir? You fought with great skill.
I helped as well, you know. I could probably have taken them all on my own.
I'm Dawn. I'm a sister of St. Elspeth. St. Elspeth was a singer and musician who became a legend. She inspired Saradomin's troops with stirring songs during the god. My home is the Abbey of St. Elspeth Cythery, near the Abbey was founded in St. Elspeth's memory. I mean, we devote our time to music. I overheard them talking about some kind of weapon they found in the tomb, sealed behind holy wards.
Do the Black Knights know how to breach these wards?
There was a black knight in a golden mask and rich red robe. He said that they require blood. Pure.
Anything else?
He said that the blood must be... I guess that's why they're starving us, to force us to help.
Thank you for indulging our questions, milady. We are left, though, with the problem of what to do with the poor woman.
I'm right here, you know. I don't want to go in there.
It's too risky. Who knows what danger... And the Kinshra may be waiting in... I think it would be safest if she was to wait here. If the Lady Dawn would find us.
Yes, thank you. Besides, someone needs to watch the portal in case any more Black Knights...
Good point. Call out if we'll investigate the tomb. Let... So many bodies. Hundreds of Saradomin's followers have been inhumed in this crypt. They died fighting in the God Wars, that we might know peace. The architecture of this tomb resembles other dungeons I've seen in the frozen north, dating back to the God. If I'm right, we've traveled a great distance, deep into the icy mountains north of Trollheim, west of the wilderness. That would explain why it's so cold down here. The God Wars were a series of conflicts that marked the Third Age of Gielinor. For 4,000 years, the gods battled for control of our world and sent forth their followers to die in their names. The battles laid waste to northern Gielinor, leaving only a blighted wilderness. He is a descendant of Lord Shadwell. His last survivor. That likely explains why Captain Dulcin has a relatively low military. Lord Shadwell's reign ended in year 163 of the Fifth Age. He was succeeded. Lord Decarius is the current leader of the... I've heard that Lord Decarius does not think fondly of Dulcin. The Kinshra have looted the coffins of these ancient warriors. The God Wars raged. The Kinshra have looted the coffins of these... Have they no respect for the dead?
Come closer, interlopers, and face judgment. It is my sacred duty to protect Elora's wand. Leave this place, or be judged. I must ensure you have the strength, intellect.
We only wish to prevent the Kinshra from abusing the wand's power for conquest.
This is a noble and virtuous goal, the sign of a true hero. However, before you can reach the wand, I must test you in battle. You must kill me. You will merely destroy a manifestation of my immortal spirit. When a new champion arrives, I will materialize again to test. Few have defeated me before. All of them fail. I fear that none are virtuous enough to return my... Flee before me! Face judgment. Join me in death.
It grieves me to have battled one who gave her life for Saradomin's cause, but we must complete our mission. We'll have to disable the protective wards, but that certainly looks like the wand Fern mentioned. Now, how do we get to it? We should carefully explore this area. His outstretched hand has been reduced to a twisted, bloodless stump. The poor man's spine has been snapped. Her palms have been cut, yet there's no sign of any blood. It's like her wounds were cauterized. A white knight. The wing of an Icene. A centaur. A courageous lion. The nimble rabbit. We'll have to disable the protective wall. The Owl of Wisdom. A Star of Saradomin. At least we can try again. A matching pair. The graceful unicorn. The sister of St. Elspeth said that this ward requires the blood of... Your valiance is matched only by... Are you sure you wish to breach the ward with your own blood? If you are not pure of heart, the ward... Very well. I shall... Dawn!
Thank you, my knight in shining armor.
Hurry, my friend. We must not let her escape with the wand.
Thank you for retrieving the... With it, I shall... How amusing you are. Perhaps I'll keep you as a pet when I rule this... I shall use Elora's wand to destroy you. The brave knight and his faithful squire. The great hero and his faithful sidekick, then. Regardless, your noble quest is at its end. You have rescued the fair damsel, slain the terrible beast, and proven your valor to your god. Now, you... Did it hurt to murder your comrade, or did you destroy him without hesitation? Is he nothing more than an evil, dead thing to you now? Let's see how well you fare without your brave knight to it. Get away from me! Arise, my warriors! You cannot hide forever. Come out and play. Begone! I shall destroy you myself. Die. You shall live again. Pierce their noble heart. Are you afraid of me? Face me, coward! If you want something done right, get back! You cannot hide forever! Suffer! Curse, rise from your grave! You cannot defeat my magic! Come out and play! Die, witness my full power! Go away!
Well done. You have the wand. If we hurry, we can restore Sir Owen to life. Sir Owen's spirit is fading. We have little... Please, give me the... The wand draws its power from it. The witch's wicked heart and allegiance to Zamorak meant she could only animate. In the hands of one devoted to good, the wand can be used. Innocence, those who did have faith in me, and Sir Owen shall live again. Only the power of a god can restore Sir Owen to life. The Wand's power must flow through me. The spark of life in Sir Owen is fading. There is no time to... Well done. You will not regret... Alas, it is as I feared. I was able to return Sir Owen to his body, but he is corrupted. Sir Owen's body is contaminated with the rot of the grave. His mind and his heart will soon follow. All that I have done has been necessary for the good of Gielinor, and it's nevertheless some of the actions I had to take. This is my sacrifice. I have lived for countless lives of men. I have done questionable things, yet I have always hoped that the ends just... I had hoped to use the Wand to restore the Centaur race. I try to do what is necessary to protect my people, that they might live a life of virtue without and have no cause to dirty their hands. I'm sorry. There is nothing more. How do you feel, Sir Owen?
My sword arm is numb. I feel an icy chill coursing up my shoulder. The evil that I sought to purge from this world is within me. The urge to destroy boils within me. The corruption claws at my mind. No, I must resist its temptation. I will not allow this evil to consume me. I will stand firm, proud, and with honor. I will follow the code you taught me, Saradomin.
Sir Owen.
My body may be tainted, but my intentions are pure and virtuous.
For now.
Let me prove that I can overcome the... Remember, I breached the ward with my blood. Before my death, at least, the Wand judged me worthy to wield it. Let me travel to the Centaur burial ground and use the Wand to resurrect the Centaurs.
Then I shall guide you. It will be a long and dangerous... You may not survive.
I can see she's going to be a barrel of laughs.
I will be watching you, Knight. If you succumb to the corruption, I shall destroy you.
Very well, but we must be cautious. Prepare for the journey ahead. Gather supplies. Leave only when you are ready.
My people have been dead for centuries. I suppose they can wait.
I shall see what I can requisition from the Temple Knight Armory.
That will be problematic. You'll have to go into hiding for a time, Sir Owen. The Temple Knights will attempt to destroy you in your current...
I'm sure I can acquire what I need without being spotted.
I am putting great trust in you by relinquishing the Wand, Sir Owen. Do not make me regret my decision.
I will not disappoint you, Saradomin. Oh, and adventurer, about my shield. Keep it, with my blessing.
Now, I wish to reward you for your efforts. You fought valiantly, and saved Sir Owen from a fate worse than death. With your permission, I can return you to Edgeville Monastery.
You fought valiantly and saved Sir Owen. With your permission, I can return you. You fought valiantly. With your permission,